Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice space white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual-E motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with a nice bed camera as well, a nice Lightning logo, extended gripped running boards, side view camera, spotlight, blind spot detection, and you get a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And looking at the front here, got that signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can open with your key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, all that fun stuff. You can turn your lights on or off, which is pretty nice. You got your Pro Power on board, and you do get your storage underneath as well. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, and not arm space, but storage, rear vents, outlets for charging, and of course you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, got your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 40 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage, cup holders, outlets, your center console with even more storage, nice little coin slot here, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, got some outlets on the side here as well, upper and lower storage, with storage on the dash, and looking here we have our traction and hazards with a 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you do get a public charging app, which will locate your nearest public charger. Got your settings, and your features of the vehicle. We're going to go into our drive modes real quick, where we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive, and all your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG19751, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.